Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to change 2017 Ford Explorer cabin air filter, easy method. Begin by opening the glove box fully and releasing the side stops so it drops down easily. Reach behind to the rectangular filter housing and unclip the cover with gentle pressure. Slide the old filter out, note the airflow arrow, insert the new filter correctly, snap the cover back in place, and restore the glove. Start warm and relaxed, set up your work area with a towel to catch debris. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, flashlight, and the replacement cabin filter before you begin. Turn the vehicle off and ensure the glove box opens fully by releasing its stops or detents carefully. Keep a small container nearby for screws or clips so nothing gets lost. Taking a few extra minutes to prepare saves time and frustration. With the glove box lowered, unclip the filter housing cover and remove it gently to expose the filter. Pull the old filter straight out, watching for debris, then inspect the housing for leaves or dirt and vacuum if needed. Match the airflow arrow on the new filter and slide it into place, ensuring a snug fit. Reattach the cover, lift the glove box back to its stops, and test the HVAC for proper airflow.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.